So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a double crochet. A double crochet is even taller of a stitch than a half double crochet. So a double crochet is often abbreviated by DC for double crochet. And this is even rarer in patterns that I use usually, but it is still a good basic stitch to know in crochet. So we're still going to be working firstly into the second chain from the hook. So not this one, but this one right here. To begin, we are going to yarn over on our hook and insert it into the top of that second chain right there. Okay, you'll notice I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through that first one. Now I still have 3. Then we'll yarn over and pull through the first 2, not that third, just the first 2 loops on my hook. So I'm still going to have these 2. And I'm going to yarn over again and pull through these 2 finally. That's going to give us a double crochet right there. Now, this is the chain we just worked into, so I'm going to work into this one, the next chain. I'm going to yarn over, insert it into the top of that chain. I'm going to have 3 on my hook now. Yarn over, pull through that first one. Still going to have 3. Then yarn over, pull through the first 2 on my hook. So I still have 2. Then yarn over and pull through these 2. There we go. I'm going to do it again. Yarn over, go through the top of that chain, yarn over, pull through. Got 3. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. There we go. And the final stitch on this chain, yarn over, push through the top of that, yarn over, pull through the first one. So we have 3. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Then yarn over, pull through the last 2. That is going to give us a double crochet line right there. As you can see, it is thicker than the single crochet or even the chain in half double crochet would be, because it's doubling the height of a single crochet.